LIATE-WOTE is a town in the Volta region. This town is famous for two important landmarks, the AFADJATO mountain and the Tagbo Waterfalls. Our focus today is on the Tagbo Waterfalls, which flows from the Ghana-Togo Range Mountains.
LIATE-WOTE, a town in the AFADJATO South constituency of the Volta region, is famous for being the home of Ghana's highest mountain, AFADJATO. But today, we will take a look at the Tagbo Waterfalls.
Tagbo is a sacred river. Our forefathers, when they arrived here, they realized that there was some spirit behind the river. They saw so many signs, and they decided to name it Tagbo. That means a priest.
There are no dogs in the town because it is believed dogs can see spirits and would scare off the entities who protect the town. It takes 45 minutes to get to the waterfalls, moving through the forest and cocoa farms. The waterfall flows from the Ghana-Togo mountain range, specifically from a town called Kuma in the Republic of Togo. The water drops from a height of about 150 feet. The area is serene with green vegetation. The water from the falls is the only source of water for the inhabitants of LIATE-WOTE.
In fact, you like taking this water. It's very, very nice. You will not go for ice water when you drink Tagbo. the water from the river. It's always cool. And then there is no trapping of the fish in the river. You don't eat. It's a taboo. And people were eating the fish from the river. But some people caught some of the fish in trap, and then they found that there was some pots over the head of one of the fish. And then it was cooked, but they couldn't eat it. Those who ate it, some of them died. And so since then, they said they should not eat any fish caught in the river, or crabs.
No washing is allowed in the river on Fridays because, according to the people, it is the day the spirit of the river and its children bath. And no pot that has touched fire can be washed in the river. From January to November 2014, there have been over 10,000 visitors to the area to see the falls and Mountain AFADJATO, generated over 21,575 cedis in income.
Such a beautiful waterfall.